I'm going to open up the plug. The plug has 3 terminals. The live is the one which has got the fuse on it, earth and neutral. You want to strip the wires so that you have a slightly longer one for the earth and then 2 shorter ones for the live and the neutral. Get the wire strippers, put them between and just pull the thing, get some clear wires. Now this is a 2-cord cable on my Hoover. So here we're not going to strip for the earth. We've got brown live and blue neutral. See, on that side it says live and on that side it says neutral. And there's a symbol normally on these, with an E next to it. That's the earth symbol. So live, neutral, earth. Undo the little screws at the bottom of the plug, which will hold the cable. And I just want to strip 1 centimetre off. Put them in and then twist a couple of wires together. And do the same with the neutral, which is the blue. There you go, blue. As with all my videos, I'm not a trained electrician. Love a comment. If you like these videos and you have any comments, please subscribe, thumbs up. That'd be cool. I am making videos all the time. There should be a link to my latest video and a playlist up there. Push out the pin, that's what they're called, and then I unscrew until I can see through all the way open, and then I'll feed in the neutral copper cable and just screw it up. And you can do the same for the live, which is the one to the fuse, into the hole, and just hold it down with my thumb and then push it in like that and do it up. Yeah, so it's tight. And then you can see that the cables are in, and then do up the screw. The neutral is sticking out a bit of the pin, so I'll just undo the pin and push that down a bit further. There you go. One final tighten. And then put the lid on. And do up the screw. And there you go. One rewired plug. You just have to take your time. You can make a couple of mistakes as you've seen, but just make sure brown live, blue neutral. And if it's got a green and yellow in it, then that's the earth. I'm making lots of videos about fixing and making. My name's Richard. If you need a pair of the wire cutters that I showed in this video, there should be a link in the description below. All of the links in there for things that I use, they're all affiliate links through Amazon, and they help me continue to make videos and run this channel. So if you would like to help and support, then click the link, buy something on Amazon, and I get a little kickback from it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me make more content, more videos for you to see. Hopefully you're enjoying these videos and learning a little bit of something, and if I've helped you fix something, then that makes my day and makes doing these videos worthwhile. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.